Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss of class 11th chapter Arithmetic Progression of CBSE pattern, some important sums. Okay, this is the question. Which term of the sequence 72, 70, 68, 66 so on is 40? So first start on what is given in the question. The given AP series is 72, 70, 68, 66 so on is 40. We need to find the value of n. How many terms are there in the given series? So what is general term of an AP? Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. We can replace Tn or an. Okay. So given that Tn value, that is last value is given as 40, and what is A1 value? A value is 72, A2 is 70. Find the common difference. D equal to T2 minus T1, that equal to 70 minus 72, that equal to minus 2. So substitute all the values in the general term. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. So substitute all the values. Tn equal to 40. Auto simplifying, we get 40 minus 72 equal to minus 2n plus 2. Okay. Sending terms to LHS side and make n as subject, we get the n equal to 34 by 2, that equal to 17. Therefore n equal to 17 guys. The total terms in the given series is 17. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.